or none. But it's hard to remember them all. Well, today,
there are different types of support materials. First, vivid image. Vivid image is a word picture that created by describing people, place, and other situations. To make your description be more alive in the mind of your listeners, you need to use specific details. Second is example. Example is a judgment or expectation of to make example can make your fact easier to understand by your audience. Then third is analogy. Analogy can draw a comparison between object or ideas that share certain aspects or characters, but are similar in other areas.
support materials help to are basic English method that essential to the success of speech. There are guidelines for using support materials. First, pertinence. Each of support materials should be relevant, clearly relevant to the point of support. Second, verdict. The presentation